Hello, amazing people. You are highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I made this beautiful braided wig for kids. Okay, anyone can do this. I'm going to show you guys how I did everything from A to Z, how I started and how I managed to get it to this point. So if it sounds like something you think you can try for your kids, for either you want to sell it or you just want to make it for your beautiful babies, then stick with me to the end of this video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe, please consider doing that. So these are the materials we need. We need our braiding hair, a mesh cap, a crochet pin with lated closure, lengthened and thrifted, bead, and also this. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to prepare the braiding hair, how to prepare the attachment. So the first one I make use of cotton 5, while the other one I did cotton 4. So I used 2 different cottons. I started with cotton 5 and then followed by cotton 4. So when I'm done cutting it into 5 equal parts, I have to then stretch it again. So after stretching, I have to comb and apply some hair cream on the braiding hair. So this is how I'm going to prepare all the attachment I'm going to use for this wig. So the next step now is to place my mesh cap on my mannequin head. Okay.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you.
After that, I'll get my closure and then place it on the mesh cap. I'll secure it firmly with my pin. When you are doing this, please make sure that every part of the blade is flat on the mesh cap. Okay. So the next thing is for me to use my needle and thread to sew down the closure on my mesh cap. So I'm going to just sew it around like that. I'm making use of a 4x4 closure. Okay, that is the size of closure I'm making use of. But you can use any size you want. You can use a bigger one, maybe 4x6, 5x5. Can still use the thread closure, it's 2x6, anyone will prefer. When I'm done, this is after I've done. What I did was just simply crochet little amount of my braiding hair on the mesh cap, and then to get another smaller piece and start braiding. Please, when you are doing this, make sure that the base is tight. I simply pass my crochet pin through the mesh cap, get smaller piece of the braiding hair, and then crochet the hair on the mesh cap. I'll get another piece again, place it on this one, holding the one I crochet as well, and then I start braiding. Just follow what I'm doing. If you watch closely what I'm doing, you will get exactly what I'm trying to explain here. When you do it like this, your braids will be very, very neat. As you do the braids, will be very, very neat. So this is exactly what I will continue doing. Then when I braid it down, I have to braid it to the tip and then twist. Remember, we are going to add feet. So this is just what I'm trying to say. See how neat my own base is. Remember, this wig is for kids. Okay, making it for a kid. So when you're doing yours, do not make it to be too full, but you shouldn't be too scanty. You're not too full. When it's too full, it doesn't end up being so heavy. So do not make it to be too full, but let it not be too scanty.
Let's talk about I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about.
So when I'm done with the back side, now it's time for me to do the closure part. I've already done one side of it, but I'm going to show you guys how I do the cross piece type. Okay. So first thing I did was to divide the hair into two equal parts like that. So each of these parts, I have to part them into smaller bosses, and when I part each boss, I use my hair wax to hold it, okay, to hold it down. And each boss have to correspond with the other boss. What I mean is the same line. I have to follow the same line when I'm parting each of the bosses. So guys, if you know you followed me to this point and you know you've gotten value from this video, please go ahead and like this video, comment, and please help me to share my videos. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that, because I have a whole lot of tutorial videos coming your way. So when I'm done parting the hair into small bosses, I have to start braiding. So I started with one of the balls and braid, and then add my band. Okay, you know, these tiny colorful bands for kids. So I'll just get one of it and then add it to the base of the hair. So now I have to cross that particular one with the next boss, I mean the one adjacent to it. So remember, we are doing the crisscross, so you have to be crossing the hair adjacent to each other, okay, not opposite, just adjacent to each of the bosses like that. So when I'm done with this, I still have to add my band to the base, and when I'm done, I'll cross it over to the other side, just like that. That's what I'll continue till I get to the end. I don't know if my explanation is quite understandable, but if you don't understand through my explanation, I think this video is very clear and very detailed. Just follow through the video, you understand what I am doing.
than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better, 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 better. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. La 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 la.
So guys, when I'm done with this first side, I'll just go ahead and repeat the same thing with the second side. Just follow what I'm doing, okay? Watch this video closely, you will understand exactly what I'm doing.
Without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you.
So guys, if you know you found any value from this video or you learned something new from this video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and help me to like this video. When you like my video, you're actually telling YouTube algorithm that this video is worth distributing, okay? So that YouTube will distribute this particular video to other people who might be looking for such video, okay? So please help me to like, help me to share my video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section.
Let's talk about. Talk about love. Let's talk about. La 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 la. Let's talk about. I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all.
So this is it when I am done with the closure parts now. So if there's any remaining space, I'll just go ahead and fill it up. The next thing is for me to just add my bead. You can use any bead of your choice if you want to add beads. If you don't want to add bead, you can still go ahead and let it be, like, okay. So when I'm done adding the bead, I'll just trim and then apply hot water, and that's it. So guys, let me seize this opportunity to say this. I am thinking of starting a free hair ventilation class here on YouTube. Okay, what I mean is that the class will be in series, from basic materials you need as a beginner to when you get to be a pro in hair ventilation. Okay, it's going to be a free class which comprises of both videos and live streams. I mean, going live and showing you guys how these things are done. If you think it's something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section, because I can't do what you guys are not interested in. So if you think you want to learn as a beginner, or you had an idea but you still need some tutor or some tutorial videos or some training or some class, let me know. Okay, that's what I'm thinking to start up. But I have to do exactly what you guys want. So this is exactly what we have. Just imagine this beauty on your baby's hair. You can do this and sell it to mamas. Okay, you can still do it for your own kids. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and again, please share my videos. Thank you.